mamas and hello proud papas. Hope you are all fine and your babies are also doing great. So are you wondering whether using a diaper from very beginning for your newborn baby is good for your baby's health or not? Or you should instead opt for cotton nappies? Well, in this video today I am going to share some facts and truth about using diapers for a newborn baby. If you want to watch more videos on pregnancy, mother care or child care related topics, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's move towards today's video. So very first question that comes to your mind could be, is using diaper for a newborn baby safe or not? Well, elderly thinks that using diapers is basically for mothers convenient, because in that case mothers do not have to wash baby's nappy again and again and do not have to change baby's nappy again and again. Also, they think that using diapers can cause rashes on baby's skin and so it is not good for baby's health. Well, it is not completely true. Well, because yes, it is very convenient for mothers, but it is also convenient for babies. How? Have you ever seen a baby who is trying to sleep but who pees in his or her nappy again and again and so gets up and cry and so not able to sleep properly? Well, or have you ever seen a baby who pees in his or her nappy in sleep and still do not get up or cry? But that's why parents do not notice that the nappy is wet and so it is kept for a very long time, and in turn which causes rashes on baby's skin. Yes, it happens. So basically, yes, it is very convenient for mothers. Secondly, actually diapers absorb the wetness and keep baby's skin dry for a very long time, which helps them to sleep properly and have a sound sleep and sleep longer. Also, if you take some simple precautions, causing baby rashes can be avoided. So if you take all those simple precautions, using diapers is very safe for your baby. I used diapers for my baby from very first day of her birth and I'm still using it, and I did not find it very difficult or unsafe at all. Only if you follow some simple precautions. So let's see what are these precautions. Change your baby's diaper time to time. Well, if you are using a cotton nappy or a cloth for your baby, then you have to change it very frequently. But if you are using a diaper, even it's a very good quality diaper, you have to change it every 2 to 3 hours. If your baby poops in its diaper, you have to change it immediately. Well, because you are using diaper, that does not mean that because it absorbs all the wetness, you can keep it on for a very long time. Everything has its own capacity, because small babies, especially newborn babies, are completely on liquid diet, so they tend to pee very frequently. And so because newborn size diapers are very small in size, as babies are very small in size, so it has a smaller capacity. So it is our responsibility to keep our baby's skin clean and dry. So even if you are using a good quality diaper, you have to change it every 2 to 3 hours. I have seen people who do not know how to use diapers, and this lady that I knew, she thought that as she is using a very good quality diaper, she can keep it on for a whole day, and she used to keep it on for a whole day, and I don't know how many times that baby used to poop in the same diaper again and again, and that made the baby's skin so damaged that after some time that baby had to be hospitalized to treat his skin. So if you use it like that, then you cannot actually blame diapers. You need to take precautions. You need to change it on time. And if you do that properly, then it will not cause any harm to your baby. Clean your baby's diaper area by changing the diaper. Well, it is very important to keep your baby's diaper area clean and dry. So you should clean your baby's diaper area every time you change the diaper, at least every time your baby poops. So you can use baby wipes that are readily available in the market, or you can use damp cloth or damp cotton swab to clean your baby's diaper area. No need to use soap, but you should use lukewarm water to clean the diaper area if using damp cloth or cotton swab. What I am using is Johnson & Johnson baby skincare wipes. It also has some moisturizing lotion that helps your baby's skin. If you are using the ready-made wipes that are available, try and avoid wipes which has heavy fragrances. It may irritate your baby's skin. Other precaution that you can take is use rash cream for your baby. Well, rash cream is basically petroleum jelly most of the times, and how it works is when you apply this rash cream on your baby's skin, it actually acts as a barrier between your baby's skin and diaper. Whenever the baby poops or pees in diaper, because of the rash cream that you have already applied on the skin of your baby, the dirt do not actually directly touch your baby's skin and so protects your baby's skin. So what I am using is this A plus D baby rash cream, which is from Bayer, which is a very good quality product. I bought it online actually. So you can, if you want to buy this, you can find the link in my description box below. I am using it from a very beginning for my baby, and it is a very good product. I have a very good experience for this. It also treats your baby's rashes. I am using this for a very long time. My baby is now like a month, he's 15 months old, and she got rashes only for a couple of times. During teething when she had some loose motions, and so because of which she had some rashes. But only thing that I used to do during the period that she used to have rashes is, instead of applying this twice a day, I used it for very frequently. Every time I used to change her diaper. So it's like, yeah, that's how you should use it. It is not necessary to apply this rash cream every time, though it is written on the pack that use at every diaper change. But even doctors say it is not necessary to use it every time. It is enough if you use it twice a day. Only during the time if your baby has rash, you can increase the frequency of using this rash creams. Let your baby's skin breathe. Well, using a diaper for a whole day is not a very bad idea, but at the same time it is better if you can let your baby's skin breathe for some time. So what I used to do is, I used to keep my baby without diaper for some time during a day. And the best time that I found for my baby to keep without diaper is early morning, when she nowadays actually she is using 24 hours, because now she's grown up and her skin is not that sensitive. But for her first year, for a whole 12 months, what I used to do is, she had some routine set, right? So initially as a newborn baby, what she used to do is, she used to get up at around 4 o'clock to have her night feed, and then she used to go to bed and then get up at around 7 o'clock. So what I used to do is, after I used to feed her, I used to just remove the diaper and keep her without any diaper, and just used to keep some sheet below her, so that if at all she used to pee, so the bed sheet and bed will not get wet. But again, I knew that because this is the time that she used to sleep very sound, so she, even if she used to pee, it's like around 7 o'clock in the morning, so that is anyways it's her time to get up. So even if she pees, she used to get up at her own time. So at from 4 o'clock to around till 7 o'clock, 7 a.m., that was the time that 2 to 3 hours she used to be without diaper. So it will allow your baby's skin to breathe. Diaper versus cotton nappy. So traditionally in India, people are actually using cotton nappies or cloth itself for babies. There are also some myths because of which people avoid using diapers. I heard something that people think that if you use diapers for your baby, the gap between the legs will widen up. Well, which is completely wrong. Nothing like that happens. So let's see what are the pros and cons of using diaper versus cotton nappy. First is convenience. So we all know that using diaper is very convenient for mothers, as mothers do not have to wash the nappies again and again, do not have to change the nappies again and again. Also, if your baby is using cotton nappy or cloth, along with the cotton nappy of baby, there are so many other things that used to get messy, like bed sheet, bed, even sometimes your own clothes. So there are a lot of mess that is avoided if you are using diapers. Second point is baby's sleep. If you are using diaper, because diaper is absorbing all the wetness, it will keep your baby's skin dry for a very long time, and that will help your baby to sleep properly and have a long sleep and a sound sleep. Versus if you're using cotton nappy or cloth, it will get wet again and again, which will disturb your baby's sleep. So I think diapers are better for your baby's sleep. Expense. Well, using diapers can be really expensive because they are also needed in such a big quantity. Well, there are some reasonable options also available in the market. There are also some cotton reusable diapers available in the market. But in any case, if you compare them with the cotton nappy or cloth, it is anyway expensive. So I know it is expensive, but I would still suggest you guys to at least use diapers at nights for your baby to have better sleep. If you are not able to buy so much of diapers to use for 24 hours. Skin rashes. Well, if you are using a cotton nappy, there are still chances that your baby can get skin rashes if the nappy, wet nappy, is kept on for a long time. Similar happens with diapers. If the wet diaper is kept for a very long time, it may cause some rashes. And yes, there is a risk of keeping a wet diaper for a long time, because in diapers, as diaper absorbs all the wetness, parents may not be able to notice that the diaper is full or baby has already peed a lot of time in the diaper already. So that's why the frequency or the chances or risk of having baby rashes may increase. But the only thing that you need to do for this is keep check on your baby's diaper. Change your baby's diaper every 2 to 3 hours and keep check on your baby if the baby has pooped in his or her diaper. I'm using diapers for Amanti from very first day of her birth, and I had no complaints about the diapers. Well, initially as a newborn baby, Amanti's skin was very sensitive. She also developed some rashes and some skin infections during that time. Well, that is another story that I will continue in another video on baby rashes. But that was the time when I was actually concerned about even using diapers for her. So what I chose is using Pampers premium diapers for my baby, because it is one of the best brands available in India. It also has breathable air channels. It has a cotton like soft material, and it also has lotion with aloe vera which soothes baby's skin. Well, this is the diaper that I used. It is medium sized diaper that I have even now. It also has this disposal tape. Can you see this? This is a disposal tape that you can open up, that helps you to just dispose it off properly. You can just roll the used diaper, seal it with the tape and throw it. So it is very easy to dispose of. Also, there is this yellow line. If you can see, there is this yellow line on this. This is an indicator, wetness indicator. So this used to tell me that my baby has peed in her diaper or pooped in her diaper, because this indicator turns blue when because of wetness in the diaper. So if the indicator used to turn blue, I used to get to notice that this is a time to change my baby's diaper. So this is very useful. This is something that I found very useful for my baby. After some time, when my baby grew up and her skin is not that sensitive anymore, I changed my diaper from Pampers Premium to Pampers Regular. So this is a diaper that she is using now, exercise diaper. It also has lotion which has aloe vera. It also has this disposal tape which is easy for disposal. Only thing that is only difference between two diapers is it is not as soft as this diaper, premium diaper, but it is still of very good quality, and there is no indicator. But now, as Amanti has grown up a bit, and now she can actually go without wetting her diaper for 2 to 3 hours. So I do not have to change her diaper that frequently now. And She also indicates us if she poops in her diaper. Now she is grown up, and I'm actually planning to train her, potty train her. So I'll make another video on that particular experience. But for now, that I'm telling you that this is the diapers that I used, and these are of very good quality. If you want to buy any of this, you will be able to find the links in my description box below. So that's all for today. Let me tell you that I'm not an expert, and I'm just sharing my own experiences with you guys. Hope that helps. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.